Hello everyone, my name is Natasha Bhatia. I am from Bikaner. I have completed my MCA from M College Jaipur. I am currently pursuing Python with Data Science in Grras Institute. I heard about this institute from my seniors and my friends. They recommend me this institute for Python with Data Science program. Previously, I was a little bit confused which field I should choose. I take counseling from our mentors. They told me about various future technologies which will take over in Python with data science. Simultaneously, I will covering some of the latest technologies like R, Big Data, Hadoop, basic of Linux and etc. As we know that data which are large in size is called Big Data. Some of these technologies in Big Data are used like artificial intelligence, cloud computing and visualization and databases. I have learned a lot of things here. The best part of Grras Institute is we can freely ask anything from trainers, and trainers are very cooperative and very helpful. Environment of Grras Institute is very good. I am really inspired with Sachin sir. He is such a knowledgeable and experienced mentor. He guides every student with proper manner and positive approach. My Python with data science learning journey has become quite easy under his guidance. In my opinion, Grras Institute is the best to learn trending and latest technologies. My best wishes is to Grras Institute, and I am proud to be a Grassian. Thank you.